What to do when your truck breaks down on the side of the road. Road service is the best option if your truck breaks down on the side of the road. If you are a member of a roadside assistance club, such as AAA or CAA, you should call them for help. They can provide towing services and repair shops to get your vehicle back up and running. It's essential to have your car serviced regularly and ensure you maintain regular maintenance. If you do this, it can help to avoid costly repairs in the future. You should also have a spare tire, jack, and other supplies for emergencies. If your truck does break down, stay calm and call for assistance. Only attempt to fix the problem yourself if you are experienced with automobile repair. Finally, remain in contact with your roadside assistance service provider and keep all records of services provided so that you can be reimbursed or have a copy for future reference. If you take all these precautions, you will be prepared if your truck breaks down on the side of the road.